Need a standout logo without the hassle of expenses and waiting a long time with graphic designers? Well, today we're going to be talking about an AI tool that can essentially create a logo in the matter of minutes, and it can even be a very profitable side hustle for you yourself. This is the insmind AI logo generator, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. We can see here that all you would do is describe a logo, right? Give it some branding and styling, little tips, and then it's going to automatically use artificial intelligence to design a top tier corporate logo for your business or for your clients. So whether you are someone that does graphic design and you just want a quicker process, you can use this, or maybe you just want to get a startup running very, very quickly, you can do so with this without having to pay a graphic designer hundreds of dollars, and it's very, very simple and easy to use. So here we are inside the logo generator. Very, very easy to begin with this one. All we got to do is type in our brand name. Let's just say Hamilton's Clothing here if we wanted to do a clothing brand, and then we could do slogan is clothing for you. Okay, just an example here, of course, and we can see here that it's actually generating various different brands and various different logos for my brand. And we can see here that it has actually looked at what I've said here and designed logos around that clothing brand. So we can see here, yes, we do have a dress. Yes, we have a dress here, and we have some feminine stuff. This is basically assuming that it's a feminine brand. So as you can see, we can change different results here. It's going to come up with various different brandings. I quite like this one with the lion. So let's just zoom in on that one by clicking it. And we can see very nice clothing brand already. You can imagine this on a polo. Very, very easy. And from that point, we can even go in and edit it with our own different design changes. So here we can see we can actually go in and edit this, whether we want to edit the text here, and maybe we just wanted H clothing. We could do that very, very easily. Or if we wanted to change the logo or change the color of the logo, we can do that easily here as well. Maybe we want it more green or blue. Very, very easy to customize what this logo can be, and you can just find the right branding for your clients or for your own business. So once you're happy with your design, you can actually go up to the top right here. You can resize it to different sizes here on the right, and they've even got a nice list of options here depending on what type of logo you would like. So if it was more of an Instagram story or Instagram reel piece of art here, you could do that very, very easily in this section. But we're happy with the 1080 by 1080 here, so we're going to press download, and then you can see you have best quality, high quality, or low quality. Just go for high quality here. You can see with the formatting as well, you can actually choose JPEG or PNG very, very easily. Once you're happy, you just press download and it's going to begin processing. So in conclusion here, guys, that is going to be the video, and we can see that the insmind AI logo generator can be incredibly useful for you as a freelancer. Maybe it's a side hustle thing, but in terms of creating and selling logos or creating logos for your own brands, this does this in literally minutes, which will cut massive time off of your business and off of your clients' businesses. So in terms of an innovation in creativity, content creation, and branding, this thing is top tier, and it's completely changing the marketing game. So definitely check this one out in the description. There is a free version and a paid version. You can get started for free like I have done in this video. Very, very simple. Just get going and create some logos. So that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. Be sure to like the video, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this, and we'll see you in the next one.